Hi, I'm Jeremy, host of the Practical IT channel. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at installing NextCloud 15 from the Snap package. Let's get started. Okay, so we are on the snapcraft.io/NextCloud page. As you can see, the latest version of NextCloud in a Snap is 13.0.8 Snap 1. If we want to get 15, then we've got to use a different version. So we are going to install the 15 candidate release on our virtual machine. Let's take a look at how we do this. Okay, so we've got our freshly installed Ubuntu Server VM here. To install NextCloud 15 candidate, we are going to say sudo snap install NextCloud channel equals 15/candidate. And we will wait while this copies the files and initializes Snap for this install. And I'll be back in just a moment. So now we will move our window out of the way, and we can navigate to our NextCloud 15 install. And this will take another moment or two to finish up the necessary pieces. All right, here we go. Safe place for all your data. Next. And this is the same basic installer that we've seen the past several versions. Start using NextCloud. And it doesn't look like a whole lot has changed here. We look at settings. Got the same basic things here. See if theming is any different. You can change the name and all that fun stuff, the slogan even. But we have now completed a basic install of NextCloud 15 using the Snap. So everybody's NextCloud install is going to be just a little bit different once they start configuring it. If you have a specific request, please let me know in the comments. But in an effort to keep this on the short side, we're going to cut this off now and wrap things up. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and click that bell icon for notifications. Please feel free to share this video on social media, especially if you have friends or coworkers that might find these videos interesting. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.